more than 30% of their income in rent, and 30% are paying more than 50% of their income in rent. Is that okay?
No!
Is that okay?
It's fucked up!
No politician is more responsible for this crisis than Governor Cuomo. 2 years ago, this is an anniversary of another campout we had when the rent laws were being renegotiated and the governor had a choice to strengthen protections for tenants in New York City. We camped out right here 2 years ago, and then we camped out outside of his house in Albany. And he came out with a very nice op-ed in the Daily News, and he said that he was going to do what we were asking him to do. And you know what he did? Nothing! Nothing! His promises evaporated. His word means nothing to the people of New York City. So all across the city, tenants are testifying at the Rent Guidelines Board about the increases for next year. And people are crying about being afraid of eviction, being afraid of displacement. This is real. This is a real crisis. And this governor has to act. We are not going to wait 2 more years until the rent laws expire. We need action now. We need action today. We need action tomorrow. We need action before this legislative session ends. What do we want?
Housing!
What do we want?
Now!
He can take action to repeal the vacancy bonus. He can take action to freeze people's preferential